Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Peasy Robotics. Today we will understand how we can install ROS2 Humble Hogsville distribution on Ubuntu 22.04. Today I will be releasing the playlist, and the first video will be on ROS2 Humble distribution installation, and then we will see the subsequent videos on RVs, Gazebo, how we can run nodes, and so on. And let's begin with the ROS2 Humble distribution installation, but first you need to have Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, then let's directly start the video with how we can install the ROS2 Humble. Let's go to the Google Chrome. This is the interface I have, and here you just have to type ROS2 Humble documentation, and here the first click on the first link that you have, ROS2 documentation Humble. Here you can see this is ROS2 Humble Hogsville, and this is the documentation. Here you can go on GitHub as well to see the other details of ROS2. And here let's go over here. So getting started, here you have to click on the installation instructions to set up ROS2 for the first time. So you click on the installation and you come up to this, and now since you have Ubuntu Linux 22.04 distribution, and you have to go, this is the recommended one, and you will go with the Debian packages. So click on the Debian packages. Here is the page that we have, which talks about the installation. And here if you scroll down, so this is the first step, and this is really simple. You just have to do copy paste, and you just have to wait unless it installs everything. Now the first thing you have to do is to open your terminal, and here you can see we have the terminal in the add to favorite section in the taskbar, or else if you don't have here, then click on show applications, and over here you can type terminal. Here you have, and then click on this terminal. The interface will be different. I am using a theme, so here I have a different terminal. So let's follow the steps. You don't have to do anything. The documentation is already provided. You just have to copy paste everything. First you check whether you have local or not. Control C will copy the text, and on this you can right click and always on top, so it stays on the top now. And now in order to paste over here, you have to do Control Shift and V, so it will paste. Now run it. Here you can see I already have UTF-8. If you don't have, then you have to follow the steps. Anyways, we will be following these steps as well. So we will copy and then we will paste. You will ask for the password. You have to give your password of the laptop. Similarly, go and copy paste all of this step by step. And then to verify the setting, again copy this and paste. Here you should see this UTF-8 over here. Now you can, the system will use this UTF-8, and now we have to set up the sources. We will go with the first one and then copy and paste, and then go with the second command. Go step by step and wait until it covers everything. Now you have to press enter to continue, and then it will do all the processing of the data. And now you have to add the ROS GPG key with this APT, and for that you have to copy paste again, and then you copy paste this as well, or else you can also see there is a copy over here, and you can directly do this copy and then paste. That's all. And now we have everything set up. Now we will go with the installation of the ROS2, and in terminal if you type clear, then it will clear the terminal. And now in order to install the ROS2 packages, you always, this is the best practice, is to update and then upgrade before any installation, here as well as in the future as well. So just copy paste, it will update all the system, and then it will upgrade all the available systems you have, and then you have to type yes or no, either yes or just Y is also enough. and you have to wait until it completes 100% of the processing. Meanwhile, we can see over here we have the desktop installation, which is the recommended one that will cover everything. If you are a beginner, go with this option because it will install everything. And then we have the another one, that is ROS base. If you are a professional and you know what packages you need, then you can go with this option. But the most recommended is the desktop, which installs everything so that you will not have any problems in future. And we will wait for this to get 100%. So meet you there. So once it completes, you should see this as output, and then we will go with the ROS humble desktop version, which will include all the packages that are required, and then just enter. And then it will consume 2453 MBs for this installation, and it will occupy that much of additional space in this. And we press Y since we want to install, and you have to wait until it completes 100%. Okay, now you can see it has downloaded all the ROS2 humble desktop version, and then it will take some time for you. Even for me also it took some time to complete all the installation. And then we will need this compiler and other tools to build the ROS2 packages. Just copy and then you paste it. Since I have followed this, so it has not upgraded anything, it hasn't installed anything, but in your case it can install, so it depends. And now we have everything, so we will clear the region, and now we have the ROS2. Now for our system to understand that the ROS2 humble is available in the system, you have to source this in your terminal. So we source this, then the system knows that we have the ROS2. And there is another thing, so this, if I open another terminal, then again I have to source this again in the terminal. So if you want to avoid this, then you have to go to your home tab and then press Ctrl H to see the hidden files. So in this, go for .bashrc file, open the bashrc file and then scroll down, and here I have already this line, so we will use this line, so which is already available over here. Copy this line and paste it in your bashrc file, and then Ctrl S to save it. And now whenever you start a terminal, then it will run the bash.bashrc file, and then it will source the ROS2. So, and you will not have to do this again and again. So once we have this, let's close the terminal and again open it. Again, always on top, and let's see whether we have it or not. So this is the node that we have to run to check whether we have the ROS2 humble distribution or not. And these are the built-in nodes available. So now you can see it is publishing hello world, and open another terminal, and in that, here you have to source. So if you have that in .bash, you don't have to source again. So let's just go with the second node and run this node, and here you can see here this is publishing hello world 1 2, and here it is listening I heard this. So this node over here is publishing, which is written in C++, and this is another node that is written in Python, and this is listening to this node. So this is sending the message and this is receiving the message. So this is how the ROS2 works. And therefore, so now congratulations, you have the ROS2 installed on your system, and you press Ctrl C to stop these nodes. So once you have everything closed, congratulations, now you have the ROS2 humble Hogsville installed. And in case if you want to uninstall the ROS2 humble again, then you just go here and then you copy paste this, and if you want to remove all the other repositories related to this, then you follow all these steps again, and that will uninstall the ROS2 humble. And now we will see in the another video how we can use RBase, Gazebo and other resources of ROS2, and we will understand how we can use nodes and other things.
If you like the content of the video, like the video, subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.